Hello, Sd.Kfz.171 here. Now, I was in my local hobby shop and I stumbled upon this Panther G with steel road wheels. It's a smart kit from Dragon, 1/35 scale. I noticed it contains a mere 650 parts. So obviously it's not an RC tank, but I've always wanted a Panther. And I will get one eventually in 1/16 scale, but I thought, you know what, in the interim, I'll try my hand on a 1/35 scale. I might go crazy with the small parts, but I think it'll be fun. Here's box art, beautiful, great looking tank. I got it because it's pretty unique with these steel wheels. It's pretty cool. Comes with some photo etch, decals. It was $50 down to $45 plus another 25% off that, so I got it for nearly $30, which I thought was a bargain considering, you know, the quality and the amount of stuff you get in this kit. Some nice CAD drawings on the side, extremely detailed. And yes, I plan to make this into a little RC 1/35 tank. So this really caught my attention because it's got the actual road wheel, and the idler light can be adjusted, and also comes complete with this torsion bar system. Maybe this can be spring loaded. If not, I'll change that to piano wire. That'll be my first time doing that as well, so hopefully I can do a video and both of us can learn. MG, ball mounted, it's all movable. Such great detail in these little kits. So I plan to do a how-to or tutorial, build series, whatever you want to call it, of this tank. So let's get her open. So off she comes, and you're greeted with heaps of parts. First up here is the Magic Track system. I've heard this is good and bad in some reviews, but I'll probably replace it with Fuji Grill. I think it is metal tracks. There's some photo etch parts, small rope there, I guess, to imitate tow cable and whatnot. The decals. This is my first Dragon kit, so far so good. Next up, so there's all the individual suspension arms with the torsion bars pre-attached. Your road wheels. Everything looks extremely crisp and sharp, like all the other previous Dragon kits that I have seen. So that looks good. Lower hole. So that's plastic, but great detail there. More road wheels. This is a steel wheel pattern. Focus. There we go. Assume they're side skirts, or part of the upper hull, and various other goodies. Air vent, fan on top of the hull. Looking good. Sprocket. A little bit of detail on that. Looks fantastic. The front mantle here, it's got, you can see, but it's got great cast texture effect, which looks great. So many parts, 650. Various tow ropes, jack pieces, tools, equipment. rear section there, opening hatches, extremely sharp, no flashing, or if there is, hardly any whatsoever. There's another one, I think it gives you two. Obviously different variety, or different versions, I'm not too sure, I'll have a look at that. And the top hole. Great detail, weld details. Looks really, really good. Got the breech of the gun as well, some interior. Yeah. The turret. It's also got the, comes out on the camera, but the tooth as well for the turret, which is great, turret mechanism. Wow, look at the size of these pieces. Tiny. I guarantee I'll snap those. And the instruction manual. There is apparently 17 steps. So, it looks good. I can't wait to get cracking on this kit. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. As always, give it a like if you like what you've seen, and like I said, first of many videos. I will do a build series on this. You can all struggle with me if I make a mistake, or yeah. Happy to have you all here. Next video coming soon. Thanks guys. RC Tanks 24/7.